Hello, I'm Tiffany Ruiz and I'm an instructor for Medical Terminology 1. This video is to clarify some word root rules that have caused our daytime seated classes a little bit of confusion. So I wanted to explain a little bit further detail since there are some places in the textbook that kind of contradict itself. A good place for that, I believe, is page 8 and 9. If you'll look up here, word roots can be modified in appearance, such as in the term carditis. If you notice, your word root is going to be cardi, which is the word root for heart, and then itis, inflammation. Cardi loses its I whenever it's paired with the suffix itis, because that I now technically belongs to itis, to the suffix. The suffix doesn't change. The word root, however, can modify in appearance. By losing the I, it is now able to be paired up with itis. That makes sense. Word roots never lose their meaning. For example, carditis, pericarditis, and cardialgia all have to do with the heart. That's never going to change. What does change is the context. Now we have inflammation of the heart, inflammation around the heart, as well as pain in the heart. Bottom, you'll see where it says a prefix, and technically a suffix, changes or alters the meaning of the term. This is true. We're not changing the meaning of the word root. We're just changing the meaning of the term. As you can see, I have examples of leukoplakia and melanoplakia. So they are talking about the same thing, but what's changing is that prefix that modifies it. So what are we talking about? We're talking about a white thick patch versus the black brown oral mucus patch. So you can see the difference is the pigmentation on that. So prefixes and suffixes can change the meaning of the term. They never change the meaning of the word root.